where the hell in the world Santiago Iturria and Maussan are getting these images? And this is being said by people from NASA, because they don't know where we are being able to obtain. But anybody can do this. If you want to do this, you can do it. Take the NASA channel, record, and please do. I know this presentation is going to be in YouTube. Listen to me there outside in the world. Record all the NASA missions, and then we will have every single evidence. Unfortunately, probably we are in the last missions for a while. As you know, the space program is going to be cut down. It seems that the war won, not the peace, unfortunately.
Well, let's review the last mission just 2 weeks ago. It was the mission by Shuttle Endeavour, STS-130, as usual. Anomalous objects, as you can see in the lower part of the screen, sometimes they appear in a large number, sometimes alone, sometimes they make strange movements, or as you are going to see in the next clip. Well, this is interesting. This is like some image from a Star Trek picture, but not. This is the real thing in space. As you can see, many things traveling, sometimes more faster, and you are going to see 2 or 3. Look in the lower part of the screen, a big pulsating object. Now, these images is exactly what I'm talking about. These are anomalous things in the space, but you know, this kind of images sometimes appears only in seconds, so we have to be very sure to record them. This is another one. As you can see, the Shuttle Endeavour was approaching the International Space Station, and suddenly what you are seeing in the top of the shuttle is the device that docks to the International Space Station. And this is a long sequence in which you can see suddenly so many objects passing by. Well, can you imagine? Well, the astronauts are there. They can see this action, of course. So the astronauts know a lot of things, no? But, you know, they have to focus in their mission. But we are looking, for example, as you can see, that's another anomalous object. And they describe sometimes even intelligent maneuvers. Well, in this mission, let me tell you, dear friends, we have a wonderful, extraordinary image that you are going to see right now of a big object, luminous object with a very familiar shape. You are going to see it right now, and you tell me if you like it. Of course, more images showing, of course, the extraordinary structure known as the International Space Station in space, one of the wonders of the world, but it's not on Earth, but also this is in space, but it's a wonderful piece of engineering of the human talent. Now, please see in the lower part of the screen, look what is appearing. What you are seeing is the International Space Station, but look what is appearing right there. Look the size, it's huge. What is that? And suddenly, let's make a zoom to see the shape, and you tell me, what does it look for you? Isn't that a saucer-shaped object?
This just happened last week. You are the first to see these images. This is a mission. This is the last mission.
This is very interesting. This object seems to be
behind the panels.
Behind the panels. Now, we are familiar with this incident because 2 years ago we presented a similar incident that we are going to remember. But look first the behavior of this UFO. And it was then changed position and moved to the other solar panels, which, by the way, are huge, are very, very, very big. And it was like reviewing, in some way, the panels, we don't know. And these images were very familiar with us because 2 years ago we have a similar incident in which took us by surprise, by the way.
Yeah, it was the mission 116 in December 22nd, 2006. And then we learned that this intelligence seems to be very interested in the solar panel.
Yes, this is the STS-116.
The object is in the other side of the solar panels.
But look the size, and look what he's doing. And also the camera operator is very interested in this action. Yes, this took place at early hours in the morning, 3 o'clock, I think. So look how the camera operator in Houston is following the action, and look that. This is simply, oh yes, of course. I mean, you know, space is mysterious, magic, and these images tell you a lot of things. And finally, Jaime?
Yeah, this is the new observatory that was installed in the International Space Station. Probably you haven't seen it. It's beautiful. They can see 360 degrees around them, and I'm very sure they will see many things through here. Now they have a real window to see the world, to see everything around the Earth and around them. It's really unfortunate that the space is going to be affected by the reduction of the budget to do the investigation in the space. I hope this can change in the next few months, in the next few years, and the United States will continue to be the leader there, letting us know what is out there.
So farewell, Endeavor. The era of the shuttles are coming to an end, and let's wait to see what the future brings to us.
The Endeavor, this was the last trip to Endeavor to space. Now, if you allow me, my dear friend William Rowling, I had a chance to see this video 2 days ago, and I was very impressed. He records this video from his house, I believe in California.
Monterey, California.
He takes the night vision, puts a camera there, and I'm going to present 2 videos from him that prove somehow that what you just saw can be seen from the Earth if you have the right equipment. A telescope with night shot. That's what he does. For example, here, you can see this object in the space moving. It's so much higher than any airplane, and it's not a satellite because we can see other objects moving in different directions. If these were satellites, it would move just in one direction. Here you have in 2 different directions.
Yes. Now it increases the speed. And there is another one on the opposite direction. Do you see it?
It's exactly what they see in the space. You can see it from your home. And look at this one. This is the next is very impressive to me. And this is the work of William Rowling. He has his booth there, and you can look what happened. Is this the one? No.
No, it's the following. Just wait to see what you are going to see is an amazing display, because we just call that. Just follow this light that is pointing Jaime, and look what is going to happen right there. And then, you see it? Look at that. And then, isn't that a demonstration? And remember, this was